WFAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Calhoun.
Starting to pick up a little bit of snow out there. This isn't a real serious heavy snow, but it may be enough to make the roads a little slick in some spots. Not much happening right now in Gettysburg. I thought we might see a few flurries. That's why I picked the Gettysburg Skycam, but just getting rather cloudy. Right now, officially in Gettysburg, 25 degrees, and because it's down in the 20s, that's why I think we can get a quick coating, maybe a ½ inch to an inch in some locations. The air's pretty dry right now, but most of the western half of the state reporting some light snow. So I think it's going to overspread as the atmosphere gets a little moist through the evening hours. But this is light snow. Winds aren't a big factor. Coating in some areas to maybe an inch. But it'll become quick and it'll get out of here 20s through the evening. That's why I think we can get that quick coating. But then overnight tonight, probably after about 10, 11 o'clock, midnight-ish, cold front's coming in. And that's the Arctic front. That's going to cause some snow showers or maybe some snow squalls. It's going to turn windier, too, as the night goes on. Temperatures will be in the teens. They'll stay there tomorrow. May even fall during the afternoon. Windy, bitter cold day tomorrow. Wind chills below 0 all day long with flurries and some snow showers. Could be another 1 or 2. Look at the winds gusting to 40, maybe some of the ridge tops. That's why the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory. Could gust as high as 50 miles an hour. Here are the temperatures all across the region. Generally 20s, 18 degrees up in Lewistown. That's not the Arctic front, though. It's back here, where temperatures are in the teens. And you see that very cold air up into southern Canada. That's heading southbound. And with it, you see these bright lines here. Snow squalls, brief heavy bursts of snow that, can put down a few inches up across the lakes. And that's going to come southbound with this cold front and the cold Arctic winds. Why are we getting a little snow out ahead of it? There's just a weak little flow of, I'm not going to even say warm air. I'm just going to say not as cold. So not as cold, riding up over that colder air is what's causing that light snow for us that's coming in right now. But let's time it out for you. You can see the temperatures generally in the 20s. Predictors showing that light stuff coming through. Not a lot. And then 10, 11 o'clock, we see that shut off. Then we get this coming through with some snow squalls as we go in the overnight hours, probably into the late night, maybe 1 or 2 around the morning. Then we get a little break, and then late in the day we start setting up that flow off the lakes. We could get some more snow showers around, and look at those numbers. They go nowhere tomorrow. And wind chills, they're going to be below 0 by the time we get to tomorrow morning and staying that way, and even dangerously cold as we get into tomorrow night. So yes, it is getting colder as we go through the night. Don't forget, you can check for updates on our Facebook page. You can go to the Storm Team Facebook page and check for those updates as we go through the next 24 hours. Then we get a break on Sunday. The winds die off for Valentine's Day, but some light snow may come in on Monday. Could change to a mix on Tuesday. Temperatures do start to recover later on next week. So we